realtor tired of wasting time on dead end leads, this video is for you. Is I'm going to show you how I built Trexitan, which is, I know it's a stupid name, an AI real estate assistant that qualifies buyers and sellers and even investors 247. So I'm going to be talking about the hard truth about how AI can solve this and why is this agent a pain to the realtors, the real estate agent. You see, realtors or real estate agents spend 60% of time um handling or talking to leads that do not close. So they miss deals why they miss deals why they sleep. Because why they are excessive of multiple clients coming. So their DM is full, their pipeline is dry. The problem isn't effort, the problem is filtering and speed, right? So the real estate space will change in 2025 to 2030 due to so many AI and AI conversations out there. Right now, the industry is not yet being tapped, although let's say it's said to be 20% that is being tapped. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to build an AI agent that helps in booking calls, qualifying leads, both the seller, the investor, the buyer, or even the renter without coding. You don't need to code in building this. So let's dive in and let's go immediately. So let's go on Chatling immediately. So I'm going to go on Chatling AI. So I don't know if you guys have heard about Chatling AI, although this AI tool is old, but this AI tool has been able to solve 70% or 60% of my clients' problem. So is a no code friendly AI tool. So I suggest you guys should go out there and use it. Although this is old, I think this was similar to like voice flow. Yeah, so it came out late. Yeah, it came out late 20, no, yeah, late 2024. Yeah, about then. So it came out. So this tool might be so easy for you. Like this tool is so easy that anybody out there can build any kind of system with this tool. Although it's kind of still practically manually and it's very free. You do not need any credit card required to start this tool for free. So you can go immediately and hit it immediately. So once you log in, this is the first thing you're going to meet in the immediately you enter the app, right? So right now it's so simple. I will show you the AI chatbot I've already built, and this AI system is completely still under structured reviewed by me and my team. So I'm going to be showing you, although this is, you can see that the AI is not that kind of complex, but I've not yet finished it. So this is the builder. So once you that, you can see the dashboard of this AI agent, right? So now I'm going to click and go to the editor. So you can see the amount of chatbot I have, the amount of nodes and block that this AI has, although this AI is still under rebuild, right? So right now you can build AI systems exactly like this and connect it to make.com, n8n, and they offer you free API after this for this particular AI agent that is being built here. So the first thing we are going to do is to go to your blog text. Yeah, you can see so many their blogs on this. So don't worry, in a quick video I'll be showing you that right now immediately. So right now we are back because I want to create a new AI chatbot like the one I just built, right? I'm going to show you guys how I built it. We're going to build it from beginning right now. So watch out as I build this AI agent. So right now, oh, it says sorry please, maybe yeah, maybe due to network, I'm just going to reload it again. Yeah, I'm going to reload it. Sorry for that. I'm going to reload my account. So yeah, once I reload my account, you can see now immediately you press on creating. There are two types of platforms they use. It's either the website or the WhatsApp platform. So for me, I go for the website platform. The WhatsApp platform, I'll be showing you in the next video. We're talking about that. Now we have so many templates that are already made for us. They have the basic AI chatbots that helps in utilizing your data as your website or content or document, automatically respond to customers' inquiries, right? E-commerce support, um, basic lead generation AI, right? So the first thing we're going to go is because we want to build our AI agent from scratch, right? So we're going to click on start from scratch. So once you trust us, like I told you guys, it's Trexitan. I'm going to name my AI agent Trexitan. Yeah, sorry for the spelling. Trexitan. Yeah. So I'm going to name it Trexitan, right? Now Trexitan is our AI agent's name, right? So once you are done with naming this AI agent, it's now going to bring you forward to the dashboard here, which you're seeing of this AI agent. Right now, it's currently free. I'm not on the upgraded plan, but if you're on the regular plan, you can see the new conversations, the new contacts and leads that are being, and when the user chats most. There's so many things you can see, and you can even go on the integrations part whereby you can integrate it as a website widget, or you create it to Zapier, and you can even share your API with maybe make.com or so many other integrations out there. So now what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to enter is the builder, right? What you're seeing. So we're going to enter the builder. Now the builder will take us to the editor whereby we start editing this AI agent because we have just named it right now. So now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to drop a blog, right? And the blog is all about a welcome message. So we're going to push the note immediately. So now, right now, you go to blog. The first thing we're going to do is a welcome message. So I want to give you guys like a free tips, like a cheat code here. You see, many of you guys do not know how this is being set, right? Even though watching this video, you might still look confused a little bit. I will tell you right away to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT how to build some kind of flow. So cutting it short, I'm not going to be showing you how I told ChatGPT on how to build it, but I'm going to be showing you the work structure that ChatGPT gave me about this AI agent, the flow and everything. This is being built by ChatGPT, right? So to make it shorter and not too complex for you, let's go to ChatGPT and I'll come back right now. I just gave ChatGPT a simple prompt about Trexitan, and he gave me the Trexitan real estate assistant flow for Chatling exactly. So I'm going to be sharing you these documents in the comment section below and also in the description. Just go there, download it, use it exactly. So right now you can see the step that ChatGPT gave me. He said I should greet and learn the type of identification and the lead type of identification, right? So I'm going to say, hi, I'm Twitter, your professional real estate assistant. We are looking to buy or sell or invest today. So right that we are going to copy this message. Yes, so I'm going to copy this message immediately. Now I'm going to copy this message. And I'm going back to chat link, right? So I'm going to paste it in this block here. But yeah, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to paste it as easy as this, right? So when it's being pasted, immediately you drag the node, so I'm going to drag the node immediately to this. So right now you can see that immediately the first thing we hit our clients wants to check on us or maybe come through this chatbot. This is the first message you're going to receive. Right? So let's go on a preview. Let's go on a preview right now. So you're going to see it. So this is a preview. Aha. So this is a preview. You see that it has no path, right? We have not connected it to any path, so you're not connected. So the chat is being ended immediately. Hi, I'm Trexitan, your professional real estate assistant. Are you looking to buy, sell, or invest in a property today? So right now, this is how your AI agent is going to come out structured, right? So right now, we need to go more further, right? So, okay, so let's go and add another block. So I'm going to add another block right here. So let's go. We still have, we need, yeah, another block, or let's add a button to capture the response for our user, right? So we need to capture the response for this user. So I'm going to drag it here and I'm going to either attach it with this block immediately. So you can attach by just dragging it. So now once you're done in maybe attaching this, so you're going to add button. Or so the first label we are going to put is that we're going to say buy. So the next button we're going to do is sell, right? The sell this here. The next button is inversed, right? So we're going to click on inverse. So boom, this is it immediately. So right now we have done that. We have built the button, which means the button is to capture the response of our user using this AI chatbot, right? So I'm going to preview this. So you're going to watch it how I preview this, right? So once it comes in, hi, I'm choosing a professional, etc., etc. You can see that are you looking forward to buy a property today? So now we want a lead because we want to identify our lead. We don't just want various people to start using the chatbot. We want to identify our lead. So maybe our lead is going to click on buy, we're going to click on sell, we're going to click on investment. But right now, there are no parts. If you click buy, you can see that there's no parts right connected, right? So now we are going to connect them. So just let's go connect them right now. Sorry, I forgot to also add on something. Now let's talk about variables, right? Let's talk about variables. Now, what do I mean by variable? Variable is just where our AI assistant stores answers inside the box. It's for us to come and maybe use it. Maybe you can transfer these variables that is being stored. The answers, the AI assistant stores the answers that is being um, transferred from the user to the AI, right? So you don't need to be scared when you hear the word variable. So right now we're going to create a variable. Like I said, ChatGPT had all that structured for me. So let's go down immediately. So the lead type, like I said, the variable to capture, we can just name it buyer or seller or investor. So we are going to copy this, and once we copy this, we are going to create a new variable. So just all you need to do is just type the variable here to create a new variable. You do not need to write code anything. So just press create. Right now, everything that is being transferred to this AI assistant is going to store maybe the buy, sell, or invest into this buyer or seller investor kind of thing, right? So we are done right now. So let's go on the next part. So the first thing we're going to go is we are going to transfer this node to the buyer flow, right? So I'm going to drop a text box immediately now to make it more very, very intellectual. I'm going to drop it right now immediately. Now, this is the buyer flow that we're going to do. Although I'm not naming it, you can name it. Then let's go here immediately. Like I said, ChatGPT already structured that. So this is the step 2. So this is the buyer qualification flow. So I'm going to ask the person, okay, great. What's your budget range and maybe your property type? So you can see buyer qualification flow. So we're going to copy this and we're going to go back to chat link. Now we're going to paste it here immediately. So we're going to paste it immediately here. So this is the buyer qualification flow. Now we need our client to respond to this question that is being asked by our assistant right now. So I'm going to drag the flow. I'm going to connect it. No, I'm not going to connect. Sorry, I'm going to delete this. Yeah, I'm going to delete it. So this buyer is being connected to this block. Yeah, it's being connected to this block. So it's being connected to the block. Now, right now, we need to capture our users' answer. Yeah, we need to capture their answer, right? So you're going to go on capturing their responses by quickly adding this capture. This is this text. You can either bring it down here immediately so that you can capture this, right? Now, remember, we want to capture it. So by adding the capture text, we want to capture what our user has told us, right? So we're going to do that. So we're going to connect this. Sorry for that. We are going to connect this right here. Yeah, so we are going to connect it right here. So now we're going to go on capture text. Right now, we have to save a variable, right? So we have to save what the user will answer to us, right? So we're going to save, we are going to say, okay, we are going to say, let's go back to the yeah, so let's go back here. So we're going to say, okay, the buyer's budget. Like I said, ChatGPT had everything structured out for me, so I do not need to stress myself or keep hitting your head as a beginner. So as a beginner, this is easy peasy. So like I say, you have created a variable immediately. Now you have created it, right? So right now let's preview this AI immediately as we move forward immediately. So okay, now we're going to buy. So now we're going to click on buy. Then it's going to say, okay, great. What's your budget range? So you can see that I can type here because why it needs to capture our answers. You need to capture the user's text, right? So I'm going to say, okay, my budget range is etc. etc. So now let's move to the next step, which is the type of property this user need, right? So we're going to go on that immediately. Okay, so we'll go to our Google Doc again. So yeah, we'll go to Google Doc. Yeah, I'm going to copy this. Yeah, I'm going to copy this. And then back to Chatling. Yeah, so I'm going to read. So I'm going to go to the block and I am going to drag a block here immediately. So a text block immediately. So I'm going to drag a text block here and I'm going to click and paste this, what the type of property the user will need. So now we are going to do that. Now we are done with that. So this is like when to preview this. So I'm now going here. So we are going to drag the node and we're going to connect it down to this area. So you can see that so it's very, very easy, right? So we are going to preview it. So let's preview this AI chatbot. So let's preview it. Now we're going to preview this. Yep. So maybe 500,000. Let's just, yeah, let's just do say 500K. I'm not adding a figure. So I'm going to say, okay, what type of property are you interested? Right now, this 500K is being captured by is being captured in the variable by our system, right? So now to fasten everything up, let's build this flow. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to ask for the timeline. So like I said, ChatGPT structured everything out for me. So this is how you're going to build it. So you're going to copy this and we're going to move it. Like I said, you just drag, then you paste. Then once you paste, then you are seeing this immediately. Now we need to capture the text. We are going to capture the now we're going to drag a block, right? So when we're going to say capture, we're going to capture the text. Like we're going to do it over and over because we need to capture the user's text. So right now we're going to connect the block of the question to the capture. Then you remember you're now going to the floor again to do that. So you're just going to do it over and over. You can build the so you can actually build it manually, but most of my clients prefer me building it like this because it seems so intellectual, and I can choose the conversation tone and I can tell ChatGPT to choose the kind of conversation I use immediately. Now the variable is being saved as buyer timeline, right? So to make this video a little bit shorter, so because if you're going to build it, it's going to be a whole day. So I'm going to build it and I'm still going to show you how I'm done. So let's go and build it and I'm going to show you how you're going to keep doing it. You're going to keep doing this till you meet the final, right? So just hold on immediately. I'm building it. So right now we are done with everything. So now remember I was in the timeline. So right now I asked the question, are you a first time buyer or do you have a property purchased? So I'm just going to capture the buyer experience because we want to capture the buyer experience to know how we can sell maybe the property or how the AI can structure a view for this user. So then the next thing is we're going to say we're going to greet them is as out message by outro message. I think thanks for sharing that. Based on your goals, I would love to schedule a call or our real estate for or with our real estate estate specialist. So now once it's done, we now send them immediately into this into a form where we capture their details. You can see that once we capture their details, we store the user input in a variable. Like I said, variable is easy. Don't get it too twisted. No coding in variable, or it's just like a box where we save use the user's text. So like I said, the phone number is being saved, and yeah, so those things are being saved. So right now, once we go on the then we thank the users for sharing their details by maybe by saying, okay, thanks for sharing your details. Now, remember when I told you about the variable that is being stored in a box, right? So let's say, for an example, my name is Malik, right? I might write Malik right here, yeah. So I'm gonna write Malik. Now, Malik is being stored inside the username, whereby our AI agent can reply with Malik. Now, coming down here, I come down here and I say, okay, thanks for sharing that, Malik. Now you can see that I gave a string, so you have this string, right? Because it's being saved. So you can see that I'm going to show you live right now. I'm going to say, okay, this string now, I'm going to see the many variables. Now, remember his username, Malik. You say Malik immediately. So now I'm going to test it. So just be a little bit. So then we move immediately to your booking event. Like I said, you can go to the blogs here. And once you go to the blogs, what I love, then you go to Calcom. So cal.com, yeah, so we can book, this AI agent can book events and also book tickets, create tickets, although these are on the paid plan right now. So and you can even store everything the AI has had conversation with the client can be stored into maybe an update role or Google Sheet. So right now, when you drag this, so you drag it here and you have something like this. So if you have a link in your Calcom page, you can go there to copy what you have maybe created, an event you have created, then you paste it here. Then your layout can be in a week where maybe where you'll be available, or in a column or month. So for me, I pick month. So right now, like I said, you have like you don't want the user to like fill in the information. Remember that we have a form here, right? So we are just going to like I said, what I've told you, you are just going to paste in their real informations right here, like their email, their phone number, their names are going to be there. So then we are going to save the booking for them. So the date that is being booked is being created by me, and you can create just by you can use it like I've told you about variable, right? So right now, let's test this AI chatbot right now. So we are going to test it and see how it works right now. Although it's not that professional, so let's preview this AI chatbot. So we are going to preview this AI chatbot, although we are going to give it a sec for this to be previewed. So don't get angry. So yeah, so let's preview this right now. So once we preview this, we're going to click on buy, like I told you guys. And once we click on buy, then we're going to say, okay, remember that I do not have a logic pattern for this. So we're going to click, okay, 500 key. Yeah, 500 key. Sorry, yeah, sorry for that. So I'm going to be clicking like $100,000. Yeah. So it's just a normal figure. I'm just going to click it because now what type of property you remember, quite frankly, you can click anything here right now. So I'm going to go on commercial for me. So I'm going to say, okay, no, I'm going to use skyscraper. So yeah, I'm going to say, okay, yeah, looking for a skyscraper. Yeah, scraper. Yeah, I'm going to say, yeah, looking for a skyscraper. Then I'm going to, so now it's going to ask me my timeline. So what's your ID timeline? I'm going to say, okay, 2 to 7 months or 2 to 6 months. Yeah, 2 to 6. Yeah, 6 months, please. So, so it's going to say, okay, are you a first time buyer? Now we need the experience from the user so that we can this AI can send it to the real estate specialist for them to know how they can actually sell it to the client, capture the client trust. So okay, you're going to say yes, I am. Yes, I am a first time buyer. Yeah, sorry for this. A first time buyer. Now remember something, that everything I have said here is being captured and stored into the variable, so that now for the year now it has a form that he gave me. So I'm going to say, okay, my name is Malik. Do I have everything? I'm going to say my phone number is 08015741187. Yes, my email, yeah, so this is my email. I'm going to submit this, and like I told you guys, it's going to say, okay, thanks Malik for sharing that sharing that. Thanks for sharing that, Mr. Malik Enuche. So this is what he told me. So right now he's going to send me immediately to my calendar. So which you're seeing here. So I'm going to book the dates. Like I said, Monday, Tuesday. I'm going to say okay. I'm going for these 3 days. It's been. I'm going to say okay on the 18th, 9 p.m. And immediately is your my name already. Like I told you, is being stored in that user variable. Yeah, everything is being stored immediately. So I'm going, yeah, so everything is being stored immediately. So my name is Malik Idris and this is my email account, right? Now, this is how you book this meeting immediately. Although I didn't connect the part, right, which is if it fails, but this is how to build a full um AI chatbot. You can, it's just similar to voice flow. If you are good at voice flow, you can be good with this AI chatbot. So what I do want you to do is that I have a Discord community. I've dropped the link in the comment section and in the description below. I want you to go there, click on the link and join the community of the users who are striving to use AI. Now, what I'm going to be teaching there is live demos on how to build AI agents more complex than this. So if you want to learn how to build AI agent more complex, join my Discord community. It's for free. I'm not charging you anything. And all I want you to do is to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to contact me, I drop my email and you can go to all my social media contacts and catch me up there. My social media handles, you catch me up there. I'm there. I'm on always building AI agent. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next in my next video.